buyer, we congratulate you in advance on your astute purchase. This auction will be conducted in accordance with the rules and any additional conditions that are made available before the commencement of the auction. As auctioneer, I'll be indicating bidders upon request and the right to place bids on behalf of the sellers, otherwise known as vendor bids. If or when I decide to place those bids, I'll simply say vendor bid. This auction prohibits false bids, major disruptions by bidders attempting to prevent others from bidding, and provides fines for misconduct. And last but not least, when this paperwork hits my hand and this property is deemed sold, I'll absolutely take no late bids and offers beyond that point. If you're successful here today, all that will require from you is a little 10% deposit of the full purchase price, and a settlement time, you pick the time frame that suits you best, but the sellers have been reasonably flexible here today, anywhere within the vicinity of 30 through to 90 days, unless prior arrangements were made with you beforehand. In an instance where you're bidding against vendor bids, you have two options. Do not bid against the highest vendor bid, which means that you'll decrease your chances of being successful here today, as we'll get to negotiate with multiple parties afterwards. On the positive flip side, however, is that if you do bid against the highest vendor bid, you earn yourself that exclusive right to negotiate with the sellers, and statistically speaking, you'll increase your chances of being successful here today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, behind us here, number 7 Nan Street, 772 square metres of land, flat block, no significant trees, ladies and gentlemen, within walking distance, the Box Hill High School zone, Box Hill Centro, and your zone for the prestigious Box Hill High School zone as well. Laburnum Primary just down the road, Catholic schools such as St. Francis Xavier, Our Lady of Zion as well, within close proximity. And down in Box Hill North, you've got Kerramill Primary School as well, Box Hill Hospital, Box Hill shops, restaurants. All of the amenities that you need are at your doorstep, so we never need to drive a car again. And look at the market that we're in, ladies and gentlemen. Interest rates at a record low, auction clearance rates at a record high, so there's never been a better time to buy. So I hand it over to you now, ladies and gentlemen. Ball's in your court. Who would like to get the auction started with an opening bid, opening offer? What do you say? 125, welcome to the bidding here, sir, at $1.25 million on my left-hand side. Welcome to the bidding here, Kevin, at $1,250,000. At $1,250,000. What do you say, ladies and gentlemen? Ross, here's your chance to bid and buy in Box Hill North. You've been looking for a while now. Now's the time to purchase. At $1,250,000. 1-3, welcome to the bidding here, Michael, at $1.3 million. At $1.3 million. Fairly bidding offer back against you, Kevin. Love to see you get back in front. At 1-3 on my right hand side now, at 1.3. At $1,300,000, 1,350 to get you back in front. May I say so? At 1,350. 25. Haven't got them in 50s. I'll take this 25. 1,325. 1,325. 1.4. Thank you, sir. At 1.4. At $1,400,000 back against you. Can I try another 50 or 25, sir? At 1.4 on my right. At $1,400,000 on my right hand side now, Julia, what do you say? At $1,400,000. At 1.4. At $1,400,000 round and needs to be got 1.4. At $1.4 million, Kevin, jump back in front now. At $1,400,000. Glenn, what do you say? Add another property to your portfolio in Box Hill North at $1.4 million. At $1,400,000. Jump back in front now. Great development site. Build a single house or 2 units, duplex, plans and permits approved, ladies and gentlemen, at $1,400,000. At $1,400,000. Ben, anything happening on my right hand side here now? You came here very nice and early for the open for inspection, so I know there must be interest there. At $1,400,000, can I go 50 or 25? At $1,400,000. At $1,400,000. Just having a look. Thank you, ma'am. At 1.4. At $1,400,000. Here we go now. First call at 1.4. Second call at $1,400,000. Third and final call at $1,400,000. All done. All finished. All silent. At $1,400,000. What do you say, sir? You've been looking for a while. Now's the time to buy in central Box Hill North, one of the best streets in Box Hill North. Nicole, Andrew, what do you say? Missed out on a couple of auctions. This is time to buy, so you don't have to go more open for inspection, speak to any more agents or builders. I'm sure you're sick of it by now. At $1,400,000. No, I will buy it. At $1,400,000, gentlemen's offer here on my left-hand side. Sandeep, what do you say? Great location. Much bigger block than Bishop Street. Sorry. 425, thank you, sir. 1.425. At 1,425, back here. 50, 1,450, straight back at you, 1,450. At 1,450 on my left. 75, get you back in front. Sorry? Anything? Okay, no worries. Give you courtesy at 1,450, 1,450 on my left. At 1,450. Julia, you know the location. I don't have to explain the benefits to you. Much bigger block here. Time to buy. Market's hot. You've got many people going through your open for inspection, so you know as well. At $1,450,000, now's the time to buy, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't buy now, next 75, thank you, sir. 1.5. 1.5, thank you, sir. Back against you. 1.5, straight back at you. At 1.5, going to get kids out a little bit quicker now. Sandeep at 1.5 on my left. At $1,500,000 on my left-hand side. 25 now, say now, sir. At 1.5 on my left. At $1,500,000. 25? Good. 1.5. 1.5, Kevin, straight back at you. 1.5, haven't forgotten about you as well. You've been with me since the beginning. At $1,500,000. At 1.5. Round and even figure of $1,500,000. Here we go now, ladies and gentlemen. At 1.5 on my left-hand side. Back against you, Jim. What do you say? 1.5. At 1.5. Per square metre rate, still very, very affordable in the heart of Box Hill North. At $1,500,000, 772 square metres blank. At 1.5. Do the calculations. At $1,500,000 on my left. Here we go now. First call at 1.5. Second call at $1,500,000. Third and final call at $1.5 million. All done, all finished, all silent at $1,500,000. Now's the time to jump in, Andrew. What do you say now? $1.5 million. Build a swimming pool at the back. Great big block here in central Box Hill North. At $1,500,000. As I said before, interest rates at a record low. The cash rate from the Reserve Bank of Australia at the moment, 0.1%, lowest in recorded history. Never better time to buy prime real estate in Box Hill North. Whether it's for investment or owner-occupier at $1,500,000. Gentlemen's here, gentlemen's offer at 1.5. At 1.5. The longer you wait, sir, the higher the prices go. At $1.5 million. Let's speed things up a little quicker here. I know you love to hear my voice. 1.5. At $1,500,000, gentlemen's offer here. Adi, what do you say? You missed out on the property in Box Hill South, now it's time to buy. At $1,500,000 on my left. At 1.5. Dorothy, what do you say? At $1,500,000, I know you love Box Hill North. At 1.5. At $1,500,000. First score at 1.5. Second call at $1,500,000. Third and final call at 1.5. 510. 510, take your 510 back against you, sir. 10, 20, 520, 20 straight back at you, 520. At 1.52. At 1,520. 30 amount say, sir. 152. 152. At 1.52. At $1,520,000, ladies and gentlemen. 530, thank you, Sanjay. 530, back against you, Michael. 530. At 1.53. At $1,530,000, am I right here now, Kevin? What did I say? At 153. Michael, 10, 40, 40, 40, back against you, 40. At 1,540. At $1,540,000 on my left. 50. Now saying now 1,540. At 1,540 on my left hand side now. At 1,540. At $1,540,000. At $1,540,000. Then anything happening on my right here? Another 5, so you want to see another 5? At $1,540,000. $1,540,000. Great value here in the heart of Buxton North. Haven't heard anything from my right hand side today. Love to see some crowd participation here as well. At $1,540,000. Kevin, it's back to you again now. Are you sure? no other opportunities on the marketplace. We've sold 22 Saxon Street in Box Hill North, much further back from here, not within the Box Hill High School zone, smaller land size, and that sold for $1.548. And we're here at $1,540,000 at number 7 Nan Street. What a great location that we are, within the Box Hill High School zone at $1,540,000. First call at 1,540. Second call at $1,540,000. Third and final call at $1,540,000, 1,550, may I say, sir, to tempt you back in at $1,540,000. 50, may I say, sir, at $1,540,000 on my left. At $1,540,000 now, Sandeep, what do you say? Jump back in now at $1,540,000. At $1,540,000. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a quick break and seek further instructions from our vendors. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at $1,540,000. I've sought further instructions from our vendors. They're looking to sell here today. We're at $1,540,000 at number 7 Nan Street in Box Hill North. What do you say now? Gentlemen's here, gentlemen's offer, holding the bid. Looks like they could potentially be holding the keys. Number 7 Nan Street in Box Hill North at $1,540,000. Anything that I've said today, I've asked you to go 50, you went 25, now I'm asking you to go 10. What do you say, Ken? How about another 5 to pinch you back in? Another 1,540 and 1.54 from the gentleman on my left. If we were selling your property, we'd be doing the same thing too, ladies and gentlemen. At $1,540,000 on my left. First call at 1,540,000. Second call at $1,540,000. Third and final call at $1,540,000. What do you say, sir? 1,540. Still very, very affordable. 1,540, 1.54, at 1.54. Cheaper than 18 Narrow Road, which you went to the auction as well, and you missed out. That was a much smaller block, sir, and it wasn't even flat. And you had trees on the block as well. At $1,540,000. You were there as well, Andrew. What do you say? At $1,540,000. First call at 1,540,000. Second call at $1,540,000. Third and final call at $1,540,000. All done, all finished, all silent. As I said before, ladies and gentlemen, the highest bidder here today will have the exclusive rights to negotiate with the sellers. Second place, third place, will forever miss out on that opportunity to negotiate and set a vendor's reserve price. And once the vendor's reserve price has been revealed, the buyer will have the first opportunity to match that and the property will be sold. So there'll be no regrets, ladies and gentlemen. If you miss out on this property here today, you'll be back onto the marketplace, going to more open for inspections, dealing with more buyers on the marketplace, as you can see, which are plentiful, and dealing with more real estate agents like me and Jim calling you, and you don't want to pick up for properties that you don't even like that much at all. Here's your chance to buy, ladies and gentlemen, at $1,540,000. First call I'm going to call it final 3 more times, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll officially pass the property into the highest bidder here on my left at $1,540,000. First call, second call at $1,540,000, third and final call at $1,540,000. All done, all finished, all silent. Thank you for your participation here, ladies and gentlemen. Officially passing the property to the highest bidder here on my left-hand side at $1,540,000. Thank you.